What if an animal could spend months as a tiny creature drifting through the ocean, and then completely transform into a burrowing worm? It sounds like science fiction, but this is real. Meet Schizocardium californicum, a strange acorn worm found along the California coast. As an adult, its body is divided into three main parts: a front proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. But the truly unbelievable part isn't what this animal looks like. It's what happens before it becomes an adult. Schizocardium californicum begins life as a tiny free-swimming larva called a tornaria. Instead of immediately becoming a miniature worm, the larva spends its early life drifting through the water and feeding as plankton. And it can remain in this larval stage for weeks or even months. But then nature changes the rules. When the larva reaches roughly 3 millimeters, metamorphosis begins. Its larval body is reorganized, adult muscles develop, gill slits appear, and the animal transforms into the completely different body form of an acorn worm. And this transformation can happen remarkably fast. Researchers studying this species have found that the transition from larva to adult occurs over roughly 24 to 48 hours. But that's only the beginning. The adult animal leaves its drifting life behind and becomes a benthic creature, living on or within the seafloor. Its three-part body plan is a defining feature of acorn worms. And inside that body are pharyngeal gill slits, structures that help reveal an extraordinary connection to the wider evolutionary history of animals. Acorn worms belong to the hemichordates, a group of deuterostomes closely related to echinoderms and positioned near the evolutionary branch leading toward chordates. That makes them extremely valuable to scientists studying how major animal body plans evolved. And then comes the strangest part. The tiny larva and the adult worm don't simply look different. Their bodies are organized in dramatically different ways. Yet researchers have found that the larva already contains molecular clues pointing toward its future adult body. It's almost as if the blueprint for the adult is hidden inside the creature long before the transformation begins. So this strange little worm is more than an unusual animal. It is a living window into evolution. A creature that begins as a drifting larva, then reorganizes itself, and emerges as a completely different animal living on the ocean floor. And perhaps that's the most amazing lesson of Schizocardium californicum. Sometimes, nature doesn't build a creature once. It builds it twice. If you enjoyed this strange journey into the hidden world of the ocean, like the video, subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories, and tell us in the comments which mysterious creature we should explore next.